Welcome to Concrete for You, where we build dreams with solid foundations. For over 20 years, Concrete for You has been a full-service concrete contractor serving the Metro Atlanta area. Our expertise spans a wide range of services, including the creation of beautiful driveways, walkways, foundations, and patios. We also specialize in land clearing, ensuring your project starts with a clean slate. A strong foundation is crucial for any construction project, and our team ensures that every foundation we lay is built to last. Concrete is not only durable, but also offers design flexibility. It can be cast into various shapes, allowing for creative architectural designs. Its inherent strength and resilience make it resistant to burns, rust, and rot, ensuring longevity. Choosing concrete for your construction projects means investing in a material that offers both aesthetic appeal and structural integrity. Trust Concrete for You to bring your vision to life with quality craftsmanship and durable solutions. Contact us today to get started. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips, updates, and information on concrete and land clearing services.